Hello, Riverbend Middle School, and welcome to Tiger Den lesson number 3. Today's agenda, we will talk about the science of the brain and neuroplasticity. Before we begin, I would like us to all take focus onto the screen. The screen reads, adversity is not destiny. In life, we're going to face difficult challenges, difficult obstacles that will cause you to be either bumped high or bumped low in your resilient zone. Please know that these adversities, they do not define you. They only make you a stronger person, and they lead you to the path of greatness. I would like to take a resiliency pause. During this pandemic, it is so important to remember what else is true. For a moment, we will pause to invite you to call to mind your answer to these resiliency questions. So as we asked on the first day, please think about what or who uplifts you. It may be a parent, an uncle, a cousin, a teacher, a friend, an artist. What or who gives you strength? Could be faith, a parent, a teacher, a coach. And what or who helps you get through hard times? Please take a moment to think about these answers to the questions. Teachers, I invite you to pause the video to give our students a chance to share if they would like to. If not, that is okay too. So, some common reactions that are connected to our well-being include strength and courage, coming together with a joint purpose, gratitude, the ability to advocate, the appreciation of loved ones, hope, increased faith, wisdom, compassion for self and others, forgiveness, and transformation. These are all things that can help increase or widen your resiliency zone. The laws of nature. In nature, there's natural rhythms that exist. We go through seasons. We go through states of change. This also exists within the human nervous system. We, as humans, you as a person, do not have to be trapped by the storms of your body, by the sensations of discomfort and pain. We can draw our attention to sensations of well-being and transform our experiences. Scientific research about the brain. The human brain is an amazing thing. The human brain goes through a process known as neuroplasticity. It's a big word. The lifelong capacity of the brain to change and rewire itself in response to stimulation of learning and experience. Just because a person has gone through trials and tribulations does not mean that they cannot rewire their brain and to cause neuroplasticity to make denser connections within their brain. Neurogenius is the ability to create new neurons and connections between neurons throughout a lifetime. Please remember that brain cells that fire together, wire together. It is very important to make these pathways within your brain to the positive things that help widen your resiliency zone. Great job today. Tomorrow, we will begin going over the 6 CRM wellness skills, starting with tracking. But before we go, please think about what neuroplasticity is. What are some things that you could do to make your pathways in your brain thicker, stronger? And remember, brain cells that together blank together. Teachers, please pause the video to have a discussion with your students about neuroplasticity and the ability to strengthen your brain. Thanks. See you tomorrow.